Digestive health specialists estimate that 70% of people over the age of 50 carry up to 2 kilograms, about 4.4 pounds, of accumulated intestinal waste. That's right, 2 kilograms of toxic matter. That could be harming your health at this very moment. These are residues that literally stick to the walls of your intestines for years, and sometimes even decades, releasing toxins directly into your bloodstream. The good news, a simple homemade combination can eliminate these wastes in just 5 nights. Get ready to be surprised by what you'll see in your stool after this natural treatment. I'm going to share with you today, today I'm going to share with you an ancient recipe that has helped thousands of people solve intestinal problems completely naturally. No chemicals, no expensive medications, no doctor visits, just ingredients you likely already have at home. But first, we need to understand what really happens inside our bodies as we age. The human intestine is about 23 feet long, full of curves and folds. Over the years, undigested food particles get trapped in these folds, forming a kind of crust along the intestinal walls. And this crust isn't just unpleasant to imagine, it's dangerous. It significantly reduces your intestine's ability to absorb vital nutrients. Worse yet, it starts to release toxins that are reabsorbed by your body. It's as if you're slowly being poisoned from the inside. As time passes, especially after the age of 50, the problem gets worse. Our digestive system naturally slows down. We produce fewer digestive enzymes, and our intestinal motility, the movements that push food through the digestive system, becomes weaker. That's why so many people in this age group suffer from chronic constipation, gas, bloating, and a constant feeling of heaviness in the abdomen. Did you know the gut is often called the second brain? That's because it contains over 100 million nerve cells, more than your entire spinal cord. These cells form a network that communicates directly with your brain, creating a strong link between your gut and your mind. So when your gut isn't working well, your whole body feels it. Many people don't realize this connection, but issues like anxiety, trouble sleeping, constant fatigue, and even deep sadness can be directly related to the health of your gut. Recent studies show that up to 95% of the substance that makes us feel happy and well, serotonin, is produced in the gut. When your gut is full of toxic waste, this substance isn't produced properly, affecting your mood and overall quality of life. Maybe you've already tried several solutions to improve your digestion. Laxatives that promise fast results, but leave your gut lazy and dependent. Expensive supplements that offer temporary relief, but don't address the root of the problem. Restrictive diets that work for a while, but are hard to maintain long term. The truth is, the pharmaceutical industry makes billions off our digestive issues. There's little interest in promoting simple, natural solutions you can do at home for almost no cost. After all, who would profit from that? The mixture I'm going to teach you combines warm water with lemon and olive oil, or chia seeds. It may sound too simple to work, but when used correctly, it has a powerful cleansing effect. Let's break down each ingredient and why they work so well together. 1. Warm water. The temperature of the water is key. Warm, not boiling. Water helps relax intestinal muscles, improving movement through the digestive tract. It also helps dissolve fats and waste stuck to intestinal walls. Drinking warm water before bed allows your body to focus on internal repair and detox while you sleep, without the distraction of digesting new food. Proper hydration also softens hardened stool that may have been stuck in your colon for days, weeks, or even months. 2. Lemon. Lemon is a true ally of natural detox. Its high citric acid content stimulates bile production in the liver, a fluid essential for breaking down fats and toxins. More bile means better digestion and more efficient waste elimination. Lemon is also mildly diuretic, helping your kidneys filter toxins from your blood more efficiently. This creates a full-body detox system. Your intestines flush out old waste, while your kidneys process the released toxins. Lemon also balances your internal pH. Even though it's acidic in taste, it creates a less acidic environment inside your body, which makes it harder for bad bacteria and parasites to thrive. And its vitamin C content boosts your immune system, giving your body the tools it needs to handle any pathogens released during detox. 3. Extra virgin olive oil, used for millennia as a natural remedy for digestive issues. Olive oil acts as a lubricant for your digestive tract, making it easier for stool to pass through. But it goes beyond that. Olive oil contains polyphenols and antioxidants that fight inflammation in the colon, reducing bloating and irritation associated with chronic digestive problems. It also stimulates the gallbladder to release bile, which helps dissolve the sticky waste on your intestinal walls, like a natural detergent for your gut. Another little-known benefit of olive oil is its ability to absorb toxins. When taken before bed, it can literally collect toxins from your digestive tract and carry them out the next morning. 4. Chia seeds, alternative to olive oil if you prefer. Chia seeds are a powerful alternative. When they come in contact with liquid, they form a thick gel that increases stool volume and acts like a natural broom, sweeping debris from the intestinal walls. This expansion also puts gentle pressure on the intestinal walls, stimulating natural contractions that help eliminate stagnant material. Chia seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. About 10 grams per tablespoon, these fibers feed your good gut bacteria, strengthen your microbiome, and improve immunity. They also contain healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and soothe an irritated gut after years of poor diet. How to prepare the recipe. The recipe is extremely simple, but how you prepare and consume it makes all the difference. Use a glass cup, never plastic, since lemon can react with plastic. Add about 250 milliliters, 1 cup, of warm filtered water. The ideal temperature is warm enough to drink comfortably, but not cold. Squeeze half a fresh lemon directly into the water. Always use fresh lemon, not bottled juice, which may contain preservatives or added sugars. Now choose one of the two options. Add 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed, or, if you prefer, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Stir well and let it sit for 5 minutes, so the seeds can form their gel. Mix everything well and drink it right before bed, ideally at least 3 hours after your last meal. Do not eat or drink anything else afterward. Let the mixture work overnight without interruption. Repeat this process for 5 consecutive nights. For the best results, what to expect. Everyone responds differently, but many people report the following. Day 1, you might not notice much. Though some experience stronger bowel movements the next morning, some report increased flatulence, a sign that detox is starting. Day 2, you'll likely notice changes in stool color and consistency, darker or greener waste, showing that old bile is being flushed out. Some see small dark fragments in their stool, old waste detaching from the intestinal walls. Day 3, this is when dramatic results often appear. You may eliminate rubbery or mucus-like material. Don't be alarmed. These are the long-trapped residues finally leaving your system. You might also feel less bloated and lighter overall. Day 4, many people report more frequent and larger bowel movements. The eliminated material may contain small, hardened pellets or stringy filaments that resemble old waste matter. This is actually a positive sign. It means the body is finally starting to release substances that may have been stuck in your colon for years. By the 5th night, most people report a significant improvement in digestion, a noticeable reduction in abdominal bloating, and an overall feeling of lightness and well-being. Some even say they feel more energetic and clear-headed. That's no coincidence. When your digestive system works better, your entire body functions better too. But don't stop here. After this 5-night cleanse, it's essential to maintain the results. You can do this by drinking warm water with lemon each morning on an empty stomach and keeping a fiber-rich diet with natural ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Also avoid processed foods and excessive sugar, which contribute to the buildup of toxic waste in the intestines. This treatment is not a miracle cure, but a natural way to support what your body already wants to do: heal and detoxify itself. When we give it the right tools, hydration, fiber, healthy fats, and rest, it responds with better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved emotional well-being. Remember, your gut health is deeply connected to your overall health. Don't underestimate the power of simple, natural habits. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might be struggling with digestive issues. Sometimes the answers we're looking for are not in expensive medications or complicated diets, but in returning to nature, to tradition, and to the wisdom passed down through generations. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments, and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.